So numeracy, like anything else, is a skill, and being able to develop skills often gives us confidence to be able to go on to do other things. So though our primary goal is to improve people's numeracy, we find quite often that when people engage in these courses and they do develop their confidence in using numeracy, that branches itself out into these people being willing to go into other things and develop other skills. We've been running a number of different courses really to try and engage people in a lot of different ways. The benefit to Multiply is that we are able to provide courses in a range of different subjects, and we've been branching that out with a spin on mental health and general mental well-being.
We do a 8-week course here at Ayers Park, working with the lads at the university there to improve their confidence, mental health state, their numeracy skills, just building their confidence in the gym from foundation to never step foot in a gym to be able to go there on their own, pick a bar, pick weights up, put the correct amount of weights on there, the number of weights there in kilograms, and with correct teaching technique, and just go for a good, tough session to improve their strength and conditioning and their confidence. Yeah, I think it's the camaraderie and the support they get that they don't think is there until they get into the class or the session, and then they realise actually the support is here, the friendship is here, the camaraderie is here, the help is here, and which is only beneficial to the person. Initially, it's that first step, taking it into the class, into the fitness session, and then you'll see the support is there, and which is great for mental health.
You got support around you, so if you were maybe less confident with your counting and stuff like that, you've got people there to support you. And like with the reps as well, I always forget which rep I'm on. Then I've got like my mates there to say, oh, like you're on 6, you're on 7, and they can help me count through the reps.
A lot of people, when you're in the gym, you don't really understand what sort of weights you're doing and what level of weight you should be doing. And it's just a lot better to do that with other people because you understand their limits, and so it helps you better understand your limits as well. It's just something to do with other people, really. If you're just saying, oh, I just want to meet up with you, I just want to go out, have a talk or something, it's a lot more difficult to be able to put that across. But if you say, oh, do you want to go walk somewhere, do you want to go to the gym together, it's a lot easier and it's a lot better because you're also doing something active as well, so you can lead the conversation with just stuff about the gym, stuff about what you're doing. So if you are struggling with things in your own life, you can just focus on that instead.
It creates a very strong message. It's something that people suffer from, and it's okay to talk about it. And that's probably half the problem, is enabling people to talk about it and also to articulate how they're feeling as well. So I think things like this that open out discussions are really useful. There's been a lot of interest in hands-on projects, which again is really good for mental health. It's something that completely consumes you when your concentration's on there when you're in the middle of it. The potential of what you could learn as a result of coming along, it may seem like a 2-hour session, but it could turn things around.
Men's mental health and mental health in general is very important to us as a group, in addition to being very important to the project in what we do. Community outreach is a big part of the Multiply project, and this just gives us another opportunity to be able to extend that provision to the people that might need it.